Hi guys, I'm back again, and quite a few subscribers had asked me to make a dish which I think is very simple, but I hope it helps you. It's called shrimp scampi, and it's a very nice dish, and I was thinking about it today. You could serve it with pasta, rice, anything, but I was thinking about it today, and I said, I wonder if somebody was having a brunch or a lunch, they could put a piece of grilled bread and put the shrimp scampi over it and serve it with a salad. I think that would be so nice. But I'm going to show you how I do it. Very simple. Okay, my ingredients are, I bought, this is about a half a pound of shrimp because we're just going to have it as an appetizer tonight. Some butter, lemons, lemon zest, dry parsley, garlic, salt, pepper, and white wine. Okay, and I'm going to show you, I preheated my pan because it really should be hot when you put the ingredients in. So I put about, I would say, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. And I do put in a little butter. I would say a tablespoon of butter. Oh, that really is hot. Okay. This is going to go very fast. Okay, so you throw your shrimp. I'm going to lower it now. That was a little too hot for me. Now shrimp cooks very, very fast. Okay? When you start to see the pink, it's basically almost already cooked. Now my grandson is going to help me. Can you start squeezing some lemons, honey? Here's some fresh garlic. Okay. Yes, please. Squeeze it in there, please. And I have some lemon zest. My grandson always helps me. I have some dry parsley. You can use fresh parsley if you like. I don't really care for fresh parsley when I do something like this. A lot of people don't care for it. And now I'm going to add about a half a cup of white wine. Okay. This is basically done. And a little twist that I put on mine, put about a half a cup of white wine. And that makes a nice sauce, you know, if you want to put it over pasta. I didn't put the pepper and salt, did I, Jonas? No.
No.
Okay. Okay. I think it's done, honey.
More lemons? Yeah,
just keep putting the lemons. And leave just a couple for us if we want to put them on separate. Just leave a couple of pieces.
I left one.
Okay, that's fine. And this is done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to shut the gas off and add a few panko breadcrumbs on top. I always like crunch, so just going to add a few. And that's basically your recipe. And you could serve this with pasta, rice, polenta. Some people like polenta with it. And like I said, I would probably serve this now as a brunch with a piece of rustic bread, grilled, and that juice, all that juice on top. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. It was short and sweet. Please subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.